Hi everybody and welcome to Lesson 2 of the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. Remember, 15 minutes. Today, I will teach you the consonants. First lesson, we saw vowels. Second lesson, we will look at the consonants. Remember, this is not a reading exercise like I said last time. These are symbols and sounds. Symbols and sounds. All we have to do is learn the symbol that we see here. Some of them are very, very simple. And their sound. If we do that, and if we put together the vowels and the consonants, you will be able, and I guarantee you that again, remember these words, guarantee, I guarantee you that you will be able to read and pronounce any word perfectly. So, you ready? We have 15 minutes. So, first one. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the first 8 are quite simple. They're normal consonants that we pronounce, as you have always pronounced them. Okay, so the p, play, stop, speak, power. Now, always repeat after me. Okay, play, stop, speak, power. Great. B, bad, baby, big, object. Let's repeat that again. Bad, baby, big, object. Make sure to repeat after me. Try imitating me. Try repeating and repeat and imitate as much as you can. Ten, later, little, pot. So, 10, later, little, pot. D, day, advice, bed. Ready? Day. Let's repeat this one well. This is an important word, not only for the D, but we'll look at it in the future. Advice. Listening. Advice. Good. Bed. K, k. Now look, you see the spelling is different. K. Once you apply this in a word, you will see that it is much simpler. Okay? Character. Quick. Taxi. I want to show you quickly the phonetic transcription of taxi. Ah, this is the sound that we saw yesterday. Here's the K that we just studied. Taxi. So this is how we apply what we learn and what we will be doing in the future. Okay, taxi. Good. Next, g. Got. Exam. Exactly. We don't say exam, but exam. Egg. Ignore. Finger. Repeat. Got. Exam. ignore, finger. Food, laugh, telephone. Ready? Food, laugh, telephone. V, the V, V. Vain, over, Stephen. Exactly, it's not Stephen or Stephen, but V, V. Ready? Vain, over, Stephen. Great. Now, I know many of you are probably thinking this is very boring. It's not boring. All you have to do is learn these two lessons, consonants and vowels. And after this, I guarantee you it'll be tons of fun. It is not boring. It is vital and fundamental for your pronunciation and your English. Not only for your pronunciation, but to understand native speakers. Now let's continue with these. Well, they could seem a bit difficult, but all we have to do is, again, learn them, be able to recognize them, and be able to pronounce them. Now, these two sounds here are quite difficult for non-native speakers, okay? Your tongue needs to be between your teeth. The first one is softer. You can practice in front of the mirror. So, if you see your tongue, but you don't move it, it's not like the tin or the thin, but your tongue remains there. Looking at the first one here, it is thin. Be careful and repeat after me, okay? Earth. Method. Both. Always put that tongue between your teeth. It's like you put your tongue and you blow. Ready? Repeat. Thin. Earth. Method. Both. Continue practicing yourself, okay? At home, in front of the mirror, 5 minutes. That's all you need. Let's go on. This is the same, but it's a bit, let's say, stronger, and it's a sort of vibration, okay? So, a vibration. It's like you're tickling. You can feel a tickle on your tongue. They, father, breathe, with, more with, it depends, okay? So again, they, try making it as long as possible, the longer the better. Remember, they, father, breathe, with. This is an introduction, remember. We'll look into it much, much better in the future. Simple. Small. Since. Seen. Psalm. And not psalm, okay? Got it? Let's go faster. Zoo. Goes. Zumba. Now the difference between the s and the z is very important. Of course, these are your eyes. Eyes with a z. We don't say these are your ice. Okay? Or I would like some eyes in my gin tonic, for example. No, but I would like some ice. Okay? Ice, eyes, peace, peas. Tons of differences. Very important. Phonetics. The power of phonetics can help you. Ready? z. Let's repeat again. Zoo goes Zumba. This symbol here, simple. All you need to do is remember it. Shell, nation, machine. Shell, nation, machine. This is a j, like je suis in French. Je suis, je. Genre, measure, vision. Ready? Genre, measure, vision. H is very important. Pronounce that H. Hot, hair, whole, whose. Ready? Hot, hair, whole, whose. M, simple, we can go fast here. Moon, lamp, lamb. Exactly, no b. Lamb. N, fast again. Can, snow, pneumonia. Never pneumonia, pneumonia. Important here, next one. It can seem difficult, but it's not. String. You see this g here? It's there, but we don't pronounce it. String, sing. Here we pronounce it because it continues. And tongue. It's like good evening. You don't say good evening, good morning, but good morning, good evening. Great. Chair, future, century. Ready? Chair, future, century. J. Just, general, age, soldier. Ready? Just, general, age, soldier. Never soldier, soldier. J. L, fast here. Look, small, bottle, aisle. R. Never roll your R's. R. Never. R. Like a dog. R. So, real. Train. Wrong. Right. Again, this is another little rule here that we can talk about. WR is never vr, wr, of course, but the W is silent. Wrong. And we have a double, even this one here. Wrong. Another example, we don't say wrong. It's wrong. Terrible. Sounds very bad, doesn't it? Wrong. And right. Yeah. Like the team. Juve, Juventus. Yeah. Yes. Europe. Unit. And the W. W is always pronounced as a W, as a w. Again here, like a dog. This is even better. W. A dog barks. W. And we need to pronounce that W. Window. Twin. Quick. It's pronounced here. W. Quick. And Y. So again, window. Twin, quick, and Y. Done, guys. We did vowels and we did consonants. Now I want you to watch this and watch it over and over again and repeat. Repeating, memorizing the symbols and their sounds. See you for lesson number 3.